Hi dear students, we are already learned about in a previous video what are the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So now we are going to discuss about, I already told you the main important nucleophilic substitution reactions are, there are two. One it is called as SN1 reaction and second one is called as SN1 reaction and another one it is called as SN2 reaction. So what is SN2 and what is SN2 reactions? Now we are going to discuss about in this video. What is the SN1 reaction? So just you can look at here 1 and here 2. So it is very easy to understand. The number 1 it is indicates that it is unimolecular unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So unimolecular nucleophilic substitution or reaction. So unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then similarly second reaction is called as, instead of 1 here we are writing 2. That is nothing but bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the main difference between unimolecular to the bimolecular substitution reaction. So now we will learn one by one in a easy method. So first we will discuss about that unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. In a previous video I already explained about unimolecular. That is nothing but introduction for the nucleophilic substitution. Now we are going to discuss about first one, SN1. So in that SN1 how it will be? It's nothing but here why it is called as a 1, that is nothing but SN1 I have mentioned. It's nothing but here why it is 1, the rate of a reaction depends upon the rate of a reaction depends upon concentration of only one reactant. How one reactant? Which one is the one reactant? We'll discuss in detail now. So now I will start the reaction. You will come to know that how it will be depends upon concentration of only one reactant. Okay, let me start. How it will be? The general reaction, the overall reaction I will write here. How it will be? That is nothing but tertiary butyl halide. So tertiary butyl halide. Why it is called as a tertiary butyl? It is nothing but wherever the halogen atom, that is chlorine, it is substituted to the carbon atom, it is consisting of 3 carbon atoms. So this is called as a tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Whenever it is treated with the base like NaOH, whenever it is treated with the base, what will happen here? Whatever the Cl will be there, it should be combined with this Na. It will be eliminated in the formation of NaCl. In that place OH will be substituted. Why it is OH should be substituted here? Which one is acts as a nucleophile? Here OH it is acts as a nucleophile. So how the compound will be get converted? Tertiary butyl chloride get converted into tertiary butyl alcohol. The leaving group is the halide ion. In the formation of NaCl it will be eliminated. It means what? Cl is replaced by the OH. So this is the general reaction occurred in the SN1 reaction. It's nothing but overall reaction. How this reaction will be happen, we can understand by the mechanism. Now we'll start about the mechanism. So now we'll start about mechanism of which one? SN1. So it is easy to understand, in an easy manner only I will tell you. So please concentrate. So mechanism of SN1. So this SN1 mechanism, it is involves in 2 steps. So first one, step 1. step 1 what will be happen? In the short formation we can say that step 1 is nothing but formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. So when we will call it as one carbocation, carbon it should have a positive charge. Okay, so how the formation of carbocation will be formed? In the just in earlier I said that tertiary butyl, right? So we can write in this manner also. For our convenience purpose we can write like this: CH3, CH3, CH3. So 3 times CH3, that is tertiary butyl, 4 carbon atoms. So then chloride we have taken. So here you just observe that arrow mark. What will happen? We are taking as a reverse arrow mark, and the same time on the arrow mark we have to write RDS, and also I will write slow. It means what? RDS means what? Rate determining step. Rate determining step, and this step 1 is called as a one slowest step. So what will happen here? In the step 1, this whatever the CCl will be there, that bond will be break and Cl will be leaves. It means what? There is a leaving of which group? Cl. So obviously while Cl is a halogen atom, so while breaking that Cl, it should be takes this bond and it can be leaves. It's nothing but it should be leaves in the formation of halide ion, that is nothing but chloride ion. So now here you can observe that this carbon is central carbon is having a four bonds. It means that 4 valency, carbon valency is 4, tetravalency, but here you can observe 1 2 3. It means what? There is one bond is shortage, nothing but it is having a only 3 bonds. It means what? It is lacking. Which one is lacking? Carbon. So it is not satisfied with the 4 bonds, so it is now deficient. It's nothing but carbocation. This is called as one carbocation. This is the step 1. Okay, rate determining step, slowest step, formation of carbocation is the step 1. So in the next step, what will happen in the step 2? What is the step 2? It is nothing but how a nucleophile will attack. It is nothing but nucleophile attack on carbocation. Second step is nucleophile attack on carbocation. How this nucleophile attack on carbocation we'll discuss. So whatever we have got means we already got that carbocation. So whatever we got in the first step, a product, that is nothing but carbocation, we have to take it as a second step as a reactant. So this is known as one carbocation. So now I already told you when the nucleophile can be attacked, it's nothing but wherever the electron rich species are there. So here carbocation is the one electron deficient species. So in which case what will be happen here? This OH can attack on this carbocation. So here what is the product we will obtain now? That is nothing but already we got CH3 and here CH3, then carbocation, it is now fulfilled with the OH. So now finally what we got? That is nothing but this is called as one tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Initially what is this compound? Tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride converted into tertiary butyl alcohol. So this SN1, it involves the 2 steps of a mechanism. That is, first one is carbocation, second one is nucleophilic attack on carbocation. So in this SN1, we already told you just now, the rate of a reaction, it depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. Which reactant? Is nothing but rate is equal to K into concentration of two reactants we have, that is nothing but a one CH3, that is tertiary butyl halide, that is I can write tertiary butyl halide to the power of 1 at the same time OH minus to the power of 0. It means what? Here this whole rate of a reaction, it must be depends upon which concept here? Only the tertiary butyl halide. It does not depend upon the concentration of OH minus. So the whole reaction, it depends upon the tertiary butyl halide. Hence only one reactant, it's nothing but must be depends upon the only concentration of only one reactant, that is tertiary butyl halide. So that reason it depends upon only one reactant, concentration of only one reactant, so that it is called as a one SN1 reaction. So this is about the mechanism of SN1 reaction. So please, if you have any doubts, please comment it. Thank you.